What is up? What is up, y'all? How are y'all doing? How are y'all doing? I'm gonna fix up my hat a little bit. Don't really have plans for today. Don't really have plans. Kind of just gonna end up going with the flow. I keep waking up late. My eyes red as hell. Back on that problem again. But some reason I keep waking up late. I'm so sorry, y'all, because I keep telling y'all 12 p.m. EST, and then I hop on at like 12:30, 12:40. I think this is the latest I've ever hopped on, which is 12:45 p.m. EST. And I am sorry. I should be making an effort on coming on early. It's my fault. I don't know what the hell it is. I don't even know because I hopped in at this time. This might have to be a shorter stream. I don't know why I keep doing this to y'all. Honestly, I'm gonna just have to start setting an alarm. I mean, it was some good sleep though. I probably only got like 6 hours of sleep. It was great, so I'm very happy about that. So, let's finally jump into what the hell we're going to be doing today. And I'm honestly not even sure. I wanted to do a little bit more research on something before I really took it to the camera. And I have no time, of course. You already know the answer to that one. So let's, I guess, hop into Free Code Camp. I'll probably figure out some more things the further that we move. But oh, this is embarrassing. Oh, this is embarrassing. Okay, so here we go. So we were making this calorie counter, which I think is going to be super dope. We have not yet added some JavaScript in here, which they need to hurry up because I want to code some JavaScript. I want to get in here and really work on what the hell I'm trying to work on. So we got to create another div, and then they want me to put a button in here to submit the form. I don't know if they want me to do type submit. They didn't say anything. So type submit and then close this out. Button. Okay, close that. And then they probably want me to put submit again. I'm not sure. They haven't said nothing. Now the form, this button should have the text. Oh, never mind. They did. Let's fix this up. Let's fix this up. There we go. So calculate remaining calories. Okay, they're doing pretty good at just trying, like, it's naturally just going where they currently want it to go. I would have struggled at this point. What's up, Gigi? What's up, Mr. Mickey Mouse? Says, hey, Marzi, good to see you sticking to your goal. Thank you, thank you. No, yes, I'm definitely very what is it called? Is it disciplined or committed? I definitely really love to do this. So then add a button with the ID. So am I still inside of the div? Then add a button with the ID clear. Okay, so I'm assuming I'm still inside of the div. So let's just copy and paste. But no, yes, for some reason, I don't know what it is. I mean, I love to say that it's because I have a YouTube channel. And because of me having the YouTube channel, it's like I kind of promise y'all in a way, like I'm gonna keep coding, that it makes me keep coding. Oops, I put type. That's embarrassing. But that it basically makes me keep coding. So I feel like that could be the case, but also too, like there's areas outside of my life where I have showed discipline, but I feel like I definitely fell off a little bit. Like I cut off soda, I want to say for about like 6 months, maybe like, yeah, I think it was like 6 months, a little longer, and then I kind of fell off. I learned that when it comes to trying to be disciplined, don't give yourself like a little bit of it. Like if I gave myself a little bit of quitting this, if I was like, yo, I'm gonna take a week off, you're probably gonna just quit entirely and come back later. So I feel like that's what I did with soda. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna drink soda for a little bit. I can stop at any time. I stopped for 6 months. Hopped right back on. Now I'm all kind of messed up. So definitely shouldn't have done that. But I do really have to hop off it because I think that's why my eye twitches. That's crazy. Okay, what does it say? It says you're being silent on. Oh, oh, I don't know why. Because my mic is on. Do I sound quiet, y'all? You're a bit silent on my end. Did you turn up your volume? Because I think cause I have my mic on, so I should be sounding good. Let's go class. This output and hide. So output and hide, I think is how you would do that. Or do you not put no comma? Okay, no comma, no comma. We got that. Can we get to some JavaScript? I want to get to some JavaScript. Oh, there we go. Oh no, don't please. First you need to link it. I don't even remember how to link JavaScript, y'all. Y'all about to be so upset with me. Y'all about to be so upset with me. Give me 1 second because I don't know if I want to put the chat on this phone or not. Should I put the chat on this phone and just move this phone? because I do want to film this a little bit so I can have like a little video idea, but I'm not sure. Should I start filming right now? Hold on, I think I am. I think I'm gonna put it on this phone. You said the sound is working perfectly. Okay, yeah, that's what I was thinking. So I think you might have to put the volume up whatever you're using. Hold on, give me 1 second. I'm moving the chat to this phone because I do want to have a look at this little video idea. So I'm gonna get the chat off of this phone. And this video is probably just gonna be about me streaming or something. You know what's crazy? This last video that I posted has 600 views. It's probably projected to get more, right? But the problem is that, oh shoot, I just realized it's not gonna show me streaming. Damn. You know what? F this then. Never mind. My bad, y'all. I completely forgot. You're not even gonna see me streaming when I do that. That was dumb. We don't gotta talk about it. We don't gotta talk about it. I guess, if anything then, let me look back on the chat of this phone, because this phone is way better. But what I was trying to do was get like an image of me streaming. I forgot how to do this. Is it script.js? I'm not even sure. I probably so did this wrong, y'all. I'm sorry. I haven't done this in like forever. How the hell do you link this thing? Oh, okay, never mind. I did it. Alright, so finally, we're jumping into Java. Oh, okay, I thought that was CSS, bro. Wait, down. Finally, we're jumping into this. So, we got to access HTML element with a given ID name, you can use the getElementById method. Here's an example of how to use this method. Begin by getting the form element using the ID and storing it in a variable called calorie counter. Begin by getting the form using the ID and storing it. Oh, okay. We got this. Const. And storing it in a calorie counter. So copy and paste before I screw that part up. And then you go here and then you do document. Oops, can't even spell, bro. Document dot get element by ID. And then I think they're supposed to do hashtag when you do the ID. So, oh wait, no, because we're doing form. Wait. The form element? Oh, using the ID. Okay, never mind. So now we gotta go check what the hell is the form element's ID. Oh. It's calorie counter. Paste. How'd I mess up? Document get element by ID. Are you kidding me? It's that deep. Wait, so then why am I doing a hashtag? I thought you do hashtags when it's an ID. I guess not. Never mind. I guess I don't know anything at this point. I just don't. So get your budget element and assign it to budget number in your entry blah 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 and assign it to entry drop. So now we're doing more const variables, so let's keep this pushing. We got const. But now it's a hashtag. What? Hold on, because now that's confusing. So now we're looking for hashtag but what? So why wasn't the first one a hashtag? Can this please? Why wasn't the first one a hashtag, but all of a sudden this one is? If they're both IDs. I think. I don't even know at this point. So we're gonna have to switch this up. Now, what is this? I mean, I could probably guess. Okay, let me not guess. Well, it says budget, actually. I don't need to guess. Copy and paste. There we go. And then we gotta do entry drop down because we are devs. We copy and paste. We do not type. And then we go entry drop down. Oh, damn. And paste. You should use the document get element by ID. Do they not want a hashtag? This is crazy. I swore on everything it's supposed to use those damn hashtags. Hashtag is used in CSS, but in JS you're already getting the element by the ID. What? I swear I was doing that earlier. This is crazy. Okay, maybe it was CSS then, but I swore on everything. Was it CSS? Oh, well, I mean, I know what you mean about CSS, but I swore. Maybe I must be tripping then. I must be tripping. That is crazy. Says, what's up, Marzi? Hey, what's up? What's up? How are you, man? How are you? Y'all, we are still on the road to this freelancing journey. If you're new here, man, hit that subscribe button. Come join me on this journey. I've been documenting this journey for dummy long. We are on the road to 1,600. But hold on real quick because I didn't realize we're actually at 1,096. I hope y'all don't hear this noise because it is annoying. We're at 1,096 subs. I went to sleep, woke up today. We hit 1,090. That is crazy. So I just need about 4 subscribers. Oh wait, never mind actually. We just happened to drop down by 1. Or I probably mislooked. But we're at 1,095. So we need about 5 subs. 5 subs, whoa. To be able to, so assign your add entry elements, your clear elements. To be able to finally hit 1,100, finally hit my sub goal. I think that would be super dope. Let's try to get 4 people to subscribe. So now we are doing add entry button. So we gotta copy and paste this and paste that. Then we gotta copy and paste clear button, copy, and then we gotta paste that. Oops, what the heck? What the hell is going on here? So copy and paste that, and then we got to do hashtag. Oh, stop doing hashtag. Add entry because I swear you're supposed to do hashtag, bro. I don't know what was going on with me. I've been doing too much of. Oh, they want another button. Oops, I didn't notice. And your output, I guess. So then now we gotta copy and paste this one because we are dead, so we don't write. We don't write. We don't type. So now copy and paste this up here. And here we go. Here we go. So that should be used well. Perfection, 16% complete. We got this calorie counter all in. It says, hey, I saw your gym project. Great job, or great going. You're a great dev. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. I'm trying to get better though. It's always time to get better, or it's always better to get better. And I don't think I'm the best yet, but thanks for saying I'm a great dev, man. Because that's definitely some great support right there. Especially when sometimes you be coding and then you're like, damn, I don't understand this. I must suck. I must suck. But we are 5 subs away from hitting my goal of 1,100. Let's see if we can end up getting there. Share this, hit that like button, try to get other people into the stream. That would be super, super damn dope. So in programming, prefixing a variable with is or has is a common practice to signify that the variable represents a Boolean value. So declare a variable named isError using let. Initialize it with false. So we gotta do let isError equal false. Then I'm probably space it a little, oops, to give it, oh wait, no, actually, you know what? I guess it could stay, right? Allowing it reassignment later on in the project. Oh, okay, we're done. I thought there was more. Okay, understood. I now know why we need to use let. I'm just playing. I've actually been new. That's kind of like the first thing that you do learn on how to use let. And when to use let, when to use const. So when user inputs their daily calorie budget, the input field will only accept numerical values. However, if your number is entered with a plus or a negative, you need to remove those characters. Start by declaring clean input string function. That takes a str parameter. Oh, string parameter. Sorry, y'all. That was crazy. We don't gotta. I'm gonna talk about Bruno here. Okay, so inputs. Oops, can I uppercase? This is why I copy and paste. This is why I copy and paste instead of just trying to hop in here. Oops, I completely forgot function. So they want me to make it a string function. So what, do I just put string in here? Or do I just put string? Or it says str. So, okay. Had to make sure. I don't even know which one worked. Okay, str. Alright, it's okay. It's okay, we broke it down. But y'all, I've been documenting this journey since day 0. Since day 0, I have videos going all the way back onto moving forward, man. It is quite amazing. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Join me on this journey. As of right now, I want to become a freelancer, so I'm learning some JavaScript. If you are new here, by the way. Hey, what's up? How are you, man? How are you? So to match specific characters in a string, you could use regular expressions or regex. I think is how you pronounce that for short. Regex. honestly. But regex is a JavaScript is indicated by a pattern wrapped in forward slashes. So the following example will match the string lateral or literal. Hello. So declare a regex variable and assign it to the value from the example above. In future steps, you will update the regex pattern to match specific characters needed for the calorie counter. Oh, okay. This is weird. Wait, so what am I doing? Hello? Like, oh. That's actually pretty cool. Wait, but I'm wondering, is it whatever I put in the slash, or is it because I wrote this? No, it has to be whatever you put in the slash. I am assuming. I'm straight up assuming. The current pattern will match the exact text hello, which is not desired behavior. Instead, you want to do a plus, minus, or spaces. Replace the pattern in your regex variable with slash, plus, minus to match your minus characters. Note that you need to use the backslash character to escape the plus symbol because it has a special meaning in regular expressions. So instead, you want to search for plus, minus, or spaces. So replace the pattern in your regex variable with the slash, plus, minus to match. What the hell are they saying? Are they telling me to do this? Yeah, no, I'm lost. Just show me at this point. Oh, they want me to literally get rid of hello. I honestly should have known. That was my fault. And I honestly could have figured it out. But what the hell are we doing here? This is crazy. I have to honestly take a note of this one. So I would suggest maybe you could try to complete JavaScript course by Super Simple Dev. It's a long course. You're not the only person that has recommended me that. I keep getting recommended him, but the problem is I have a hard time learning on video. Like, I feel like I need to read. I like to read. I like to solve a question. Like, I hate having to learn through a video. And even if they put the text on the screen, it's still difficult to me. Like, I like to just have it like a textbook. Same thing with like MDM docs. Like, if I need a definition, just read. Like, I don't know what it is, man, but reading is just my thing. I truly would just rather read it. I have no idea why. Let me try and switch this. Close that out. I don't know if y'all could have seen that. But alright, y'all, real quick. So in regex shorthand character, I had to change the title real quick. Shorthand character classes allow you to match specific characters without having to write those characters. Hey, what's up? In your pattern, shorthand character classes are preceded with a backslash. So you got that, okay. The character class backslashes will match any white space character and add this to your regex pattern. So now they want me to do a backslash S. Oops. Okay, never mind. I messed up. Without having to write those characters in your pattern, shorthand character classes are preceded with a backslash, so the character class slash S will match any white space. Oh, add it to my thing. Oopsies. Okay, so add it to my thing. Never mind, that still don't work. Unless you're supposed to start it that way. What the hell? I'm lost, gang. Without having to write those characters in your pattern, sure. Oh, wait, no, so it is. They are telling me to erase it now. Add this to your regex pattern. Well, I mean, I tried adding it towards the end. I guess we're gonna try trial and error. Tried adding it towards the end. Oh. Okay, never mind. I thought that was it. What the hell? Oh, you know what? I was gonna say, did I not do that? But you know what? I actually didn't, bro. So it's supposed to be this, plus minus S. Oh, and that's supposed to be one here. Crazy work. How would I know that? Honestly, I don't know what the hell we're doing. I need to look for a second. Okay, never mind. I guess that didn't erase anything. What if I did this? Oh, okay. I guess it's already something you can't see. So it says that's fine, your choice. Everyone has their sort of preferences. The best way, of course, is project-based learning. So, no, yeah, big facts. That's why yesterday, or it might have been 2 days ago, when I ended up making that rock, paper, scissors game. Oh my goodness. Oh, wait, no, I think I made it. Well, I made it before that, and then I made it on stream 2 days ago. That was something else, bro. that was something else, but it definitely taught me a lot about like logic, like the logic you need to create it. And I'm still somewhat of a beginner, so it's like that's why that one in particular, even though it was a bit of a struggle, oh my goodness, that taught me so much, and I cannot wait to keep moving forward in projects. But as of right now, I'm just doing a bit of like studying, I guess, or just solving some questions. Like I feel like when it comes to free code camp, I kind of just do it on live just because it's like more quicker answering questions, getting examples. I don't really think I'm trying to like learn from here because where I'm really trying to learn is the Odin project. But as of right now, I have a whole bunch of like notes to be taken. So just starting off my stream, I like to just solve a couple of questions first and then I hop into whatever the Odin project has for me. So looks for plus, minus, and space in order. This would watch plus, minus, hello, but would not match plus, hello. To tell the pattern to match each of these characters individually, you'll need to turn them into a character class. This is done by wrapping the characters you want to match in brackets. So for example, this pattern will match the hello. I don't know why I pronounced it like that. Turn your plus, minus, slash s pattern into a character class. No. That you no longer need the plus character because you are using the class. So I don't need the plus minus. But it only says plus. They need to be more clear here. So then what? Is it just empty? Oh. Oh, you know what? I would have figured that, but why would they say you don't need the plus if you still need the plus minus? I don't know. I feel like I honestly would have figured. Oh, never mind. Oh wait, no, I'm stupid. Let's click. Oh wait, no. Yeah, that wouldn't make sense. Okay, perfect. So that means I can figure this out on my own. Finally. Honestly, let me restart that because I want to see what everything looks like. So they're saying I don't need the plus. So turn your plus, minus, slash s pattern into a character class. Note that you no longer need the plus. Because you're using the character class, but it's also the plus minus. So what the hell is keeping this active here? So if I did this, is that fine? It's not. So saying you don't need this. Oh. I thought I did that. Oh, it was because my slashes were funny. Now I remember. I had a weird slash going backwards. Did you guys saw about Genie 3? No, I have not. What is Genie 3? This is true. I still remember coding a complete to-do app on my own. It took me hours, but at the end, it's just great. No, big facts, man. That's why I'm so happy to be documenting this journey because it's a feeling I feel like a lot of people either had in the beginning and or there's people starting with me. So they're just having this feeling and they're like able to relate. I think that's probably the coolest, sickest thing possible. So regex can also take specific flags to alter the pattern matching behavior. Flags are added after the closing slash. The G flag, which stands for global, will tell the pattern to continue looking after it has found a match. So here's an example. Add the G flag to your regex pattern. So I guess just put a G. Okay, we got that. Continue pushing. JavaScript provides a replace method that enables you to replace characters in a string with another string. So this method accepts two arguments. The first argument is the character sequence to be replaced, which can either be a string or a regex pattern. The second argument is a string that replaces the match sequence. Since strings are immutable, the replace method returns a new string with replaced characters. So in this example, the replace method is used to replace all instances of the letter L with the number 1 in the string hello. So use your regex to replace all instances of plus and minus in a space and str with an empty string to return this. Honestly, why the hell am I doing this? Just over and over and over. I'm over it at this point. I guess they're trying to get me to understand. So they're saying to replace all instances of plus and minus in a space in str with an empty string and return this value. What? So I'm assuming they want me to do this comma and do 1. But then they want me to erase. Hold on, let me try to send it through. They want me to erase. Oh wait, no, not that. This. Maybe, oops. Maybe this. or entirely the M. Replace method of string. You should call the replace method of str. Wait, what the hell is the replace method? Oh. So are you telling me? No, because this is inside. Why can't I think right now? You have hello. So is this supposed to be considered my hello? Wait, no, that's so confusing to me actually right now. So is this supposed to be considered my hello, or am I supposed to put replace? No, you wouldn't put replace there. JavaScript provides a replace method that enables you to replace characters in a string. This method accepts 2 arguments. So since strings are imputable, the replace method returns a new string with the replace character. So in this example, the replace method is used to replace all instances of the letter L with the number 1 in the string. Okay. So use your regex to replace all instances of plus and minus in a space in the string with an empty string. Return this value. I just don't know where I'm supposed to be putting replace at though. Like, am I putting replace here? And then I'm doing a slash with it says and a space and a string with an empty string. Is this what I'm doing? Am I supposed to put the G here? Get rid of the G here? Unless I'm supposed to do... Yeah, no. Replace with the empty string, because here they're doing 1G. What the hell is 1G? What the hell is 1G? So I'm assuming I'm probably supposed to do... I am not positive. Did I just put this in by itself? Or am I supposed to put the slash like I did? That's why I have no idea. And also, too, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be dot replacing here, because, like, hello. Dot replace. Oh, I'm stupid. I mean, not stupid, but I gotta stop calling myself stupid. I think I'm supposed to do something like this. I'm supposed to be doing the slash plus slash minus? Why is that not working? Slash plus slash minus. It was working at first when I put the quotes in there, right? Or am I putting the slash the wrong way? Is it the wrong way? Okay, no. What the hell? So if I put quotes in here, how did I just do that? Hold on, I gotta replace this because I just did something that was working and then now it's not working. So I think I'm supposed to put it to here. Open this up. I'm not sure what the hell to do with this G. And then it's supposed to be like a slash. Let me just copy what they put real quick. I think it's supposed to be something like this, but then now you switch it up. Now you do a minus, or you do a plus, and then I'm assuming because I'm gonna do a minus, do I do another one? No. Or do I just put in the same one? You should replace method of string. So am I putting str in here? Just trial and erroring. I feel like I'm definitely going to realize, and I'm gonna be like, damn, that was kind of annoying. Because basically you're doing the 1, so you're replacing the L with the 1. So they put the L in here. Oh, is it the G over here? So you put the 1 in here because that's what you're replacing. You put the comma. You want me all instances of the plus and minus in a space in string with an empty string. or space in str. So this was, wait, no, because this is empty string. Because this couldn't be str. Or like this. Yeah, no, that wouldn't make sense. That wouldn't make sense. Damn. I was hoping I would have been able to get this on my own. It says dot replace plus minus. Let me at least see if I tried everything I wanted to try. And then if that doesn't work, I guess I'll ask y'all. Well, I'm sure some of y'all probably already told me the answer. But I guess I'll see the answer. But I really wanted to see if I could do this on my own. So since the strings are imputable, the replace method returns a new string. So in this example, the replace method is used to replace all the L's. So they put the L here. First of all, L looks exactly like 1. So I can't even tell if this is the L or the 1. Because now I'm realizing that that's just a 1. Right? Because that's not what the hell the L looks like. Oh, apparently it does. Why would they make the L like the 1? So I'm assuming this is the L. I mean, unless it's opposite. Because this looks like a 1 and that looks like a 1. So I can't tell which one's the L and which one's the 1. Okay, so then that's not working. So the only other thing that I could think of is probably doing it the opposite way around. But I doubt that's going to work either. But I guess there's nothing, there's a shot. I mean, you can try. Something like this. Yeah, no. Okay, I'm not gonna get this one. Damn, I really wanted to do it. And I know I'm gonna be so upset when I figure out what the answer is. So it says, Genie 3 by Google DeepN and AI, which creates a virtual world based on your prompt. Oh, it's actually pretty damn dope. That's actually pretty damn dope. It says, recommend you Rega X1. It is a different but simple. Okay, that's good. You stream on Twitch? No, I do not. I only stream here. Saying no, it's not like that. The second one is the one, obviously. So I would have to say, well, obviously it's crazy. I think these look very similar. Y'all can't tell me that this does not look like a 1. Come on now. Don't play me. Because, like, I feel like this one clearly looks like a 1, but it's more in the sense of, like, this one could have been a 1. You know what I mean? So I didn't know if I was supposed to throw it in the opposite or not, but I'm going to have to ask for the answer here. I honestly can't. I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know. I'm going to have to ask for the answer here. I was hoping I could have done it on my own, but man, did that get difficult. Did that get difficult? Does anyone know the answer? Does anyone know the answer? Damn, I feel like I'm going to be so pissed. To replace all instances of plus and minus in a space. I think the thing is that I'm missing, because it's saying and a space in str. Oh, wait, no, never mind. I wouldn't know. I still would not know. I have no clue. So I mean, it's similar, but I zoomed in and the second one is different at the top. Oh, okay, but so can someone help me here? Can someone help me here? I definitely need some help. I mean, I could probably send it to, honestly, I don't even know. Probably ask ChatGPT, but if y'all know the answer, definitely let me know. Definitely let me know. Let me see something real quick. I need to make a better thumbnail for my last video. I probably should have showed my face. Because I got good views on it, but I feel like if I showed my face, I would have had more on that video. So I'm probably going to see if I can switch the thumbnail, but ChatGPT is playing with my soul right now. Oh, they finally made me a better one. So maybe I could do this. My bad. Does anyone have the answer? Is this a comma, maybe? Where? Like, do you want me to get rid of the comma? Okay, no, the comma is very much needed. Yeah, I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know. I actually can't get this damn answered. I'm probably going to send it. Oh, okay. Let's see if Clark got it. Cons regex So you're doing minus underscore return. Oh, I'm supposed to be doing string replace. I'm supposed to be doing string replace. Let's see. Let's see if you're right here. And then it's supposed to say return. I'm probably supposed to throw this on a different line then. Return string replace regex. What? I don't think, Clark, I don't think this is going to work. Oh, you mean there, like a plus minus? It says try before regex one website JavaScript section. But, okay, so we got regex here. I'm trying to see what Clark is saying. Maybe Clark could be, oh, okay, I had a space there. Damn, I would not have even thought of doing that. But I should have, because it says string here. But I don't know, I was just getting confused with a whole bunch of BS. And then especially too, this example was not a good example. Because they made it seem like you were supposed to write plus minus G. You're supposed to do the, like, I don't know. This is a terrible example. I would not have got any of that for that example. Okay, so we finally got that done. So it says now it's time to test out this clean input string function. So add a console.log. But I'll definitely go and check that section that you are talking about. Definitely. So with 2 arguments, the first argument should be the string original string. So I'm assuming we need to what? Pass it 2 arguments. Console.log. Inside of your clean blah 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 blah. The first argument should be the string. Okay, so we're gonna pass this. I don't know if you put a comma. What the hell? Should be a string parameter. Wait, what? I've literally never passed something like this before. Oh, I put my comma in the wrong spot. Oh, I forgot my damn quotes, bro. You gotta be kidding me. I forgot my damn quotes. String. Oops. Oh, I still need the space. Okay, so then that's good. Let me see this real quick. Because then another thing I'm thinking of for this specific thumbnail is I probably should do something like this in my photo. I got this thumbnail looking a certain way. So let me leave this like this up. If you guys are new here, man, hit that subscribe button. Come join me on my journey. This journey, as of right now, is learning a bit more of some JavaScript, which is killing me, but it's okay. It is okay. Oh, wait, hold on. I need to get this image here. My bad. I'm trying to change up this damn thumbnail that I made earlier today because the video views are doing good, but it shows that I recommended to a lot more people, meaning more people should have clicked on the video. So clean input string function, you would need to add a console.log statement, and inside the console.log, call the clean input. Okay, we're good. Console.log. Now we gotta call this clean input string, and then put these function with the string value of this. I don't know if I need the quote, but we'll see. As an argument, and then open up the console, you should see the original string followed by the clean string with it removed. Well, honestly, we have no console. Oh wait, am I able to open up the console from here? Oh, that is pretty cool. I don't see anything. Invalid syntax. That's all I see. I'm just kidding. Okay, we're good. I didn't know you can open up the console from there. It says, do you believe in gender equality? I honestly don't even know. I honestly don't even know what that means in a way. Like, what does it mean when people say, like, gender equality? Is it just saying, like, anyone can do anything? Like, I honestly don't understand. I honestly don't look into stuff like that. I actually stay out of stuff like that because I feel like all that really does is just bring people to, like, stress, or it brings people to just hate each other. So I feel like for me, I just tend to not care in a way. So I feel like I normally don't have an opinion, but I really don't know, because what does it mean in the sense of, like, are you saying gender equality in the sense of we all should have the same rights? Like I don't know. Once you have finished testing your clean input string function, you can remove both your console statements. So once I have finished oh, okay. I finished testing. I have finished testing. On to the next. I love me a little easy step. It says WMARZ ruins your mental health. No, big facts, girl. Because I just have... that's why I feel like I stay out of a lot of things that the TV pushes. I think they push those things specifically to screw people. And then people fall for it because they want to be so opinionated. It's like, just... You could be opinionated, but... that's going to take over you. Because then you're just going to sit there and just start hating people that have a different opinion. That's literally the whole entire goal of that. Now, start by creating this function. It should take an SRT and STR as well. Perfection. Perfection. Are they going to make me test now? Are they going to keep making me test at this point? Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to change up this thumbnail. I'm assuming that probably should be, since it looks way harder than you think, I'm probably going to show my face. And that's probably why this video has been getting clicked on less, but it has been getting quite good views. So if you guys are new here, man, hit that subscribe button. You know what's crazy, y'all? As I was just on this stream, I was at 1,096. Tell me I just lost like 3 subs. That is crazy. I don't know if I need to put let. It might be const, honestly. But is it const? Oh, it is const. But it's all good. It is all good. At the end of the day, we're still close to the goal that we need to get to. And honestly, don't even mind losing subs. I actually lose subs like quite often, but then I normally just get them back. But even if I didn't get them back, I don't know what the hell it is. I felt like it's because some people, they probably sub for like a YouTube short, or they sub for like a live stream. Then they're like, who the hell is this girl popping up on my screen? And then they just unsub. But it's the funniest thing ever. Assign a regex that matches the character E. What the hell is a regex, bro? That matches the character E. Oh, I've done it. I've done it. Finally. I finally think I'm understanding the regex. I'm finally understanding. Hey, what is up, Foothaul? Oh my goodness, man. It's been some time. It's been some time, Foothaul. Hey, that's what's up. That is what's up. How's soccer going? How is your YouTube shorts going? It says the E and number input could also be an uppercase E. Regex has a flag for this, however, the I flag, which stands for insensitive. So regex above would match hello, 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 even in hello, I of the I flag. This flag makes your pattern case sensitive, so add the I flag to your regex. I'm assuming I put that, at the end. Okay, that's super dope. That is super dope. How long have we been live for? About 43 minutes. Okay, y'all, I'm going to end this live with taking some notes here. But just give me one more second. I'm assuming, could it be my title? Oh, you know what? I misspelled. I think I'm starting to realize that my live stream titles must be crazy. Because, good, I got 15 subs and I won my soccer championship. Now we're going to states. Hey, this is up, man. I'm praying for y'all to end up winning in states. That is pretty damn dope. I'm glad that you got 15 subs, bro. That is amazing. So just remember, if you want your method to send something back, you use return if there's a perimeter. Otherwise, it's just going to be a receiver and a function executor. It's complicated, I know. No, yeah, I definitely got to remember that. Definitely going to probably take a note of that up here. So if you want your perimeter to return the perimeter, basically, if you want to see it used. Something like that. Is a perimeter. Otherwise, it's just going to be a receiver and a function executor. So yes, I'll put that there. Perfection, perfection. Now let me go and finally take these notes. So it says don't use variable names. Where did I end up getting that? Or not variable names. Don't use variable names like X, Y, and Z, but use this. So example B represents a blah, 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 better code. The indentation, the spacing is good as well. So I got to write that down. So here, this is teaching me how to write cleaner code. Let's see if I'll ever get there. Will I ever be able to write cleaner code? I cannot wait to build another project, y'all, because like I'm actually craving to build another project. Y'all have no idea how much I really felt like that taught me. Then especially when it came to like rebuilding it as well. Because a lot of it, I probably looked at my notes a couple of times. But it was mainly for like, because I'm someone who's a big second guesser. So like if I have a note next to me that's going to show me the answer, instead of me just being like, I'm going to type it, I second guess. So I'll type it and I'll look. But like I was literally getting it done. It says, Marge, you're my 4th sub. I've gone a long way because of you supporting me. Thank you. I appreciate you. Hey, that's what's up, man. No, yeah, I'm actually really, really happy that you stuck to doing that. That is super, super damn dope, bro. Super dope. So logical pattern. It says single characters can be used as variable names in the context of loop or callback function, but avoid them everywhere else. Oh, okay, so let me make a star for that, just so, because I definitely wasn't going to do it ever. But let's see, single character can be used. Actually, you know what? I'm probably, because I feel like if I sit here and I decide to take notes, then I'm probably not going to be able to close out on you guys. So let me finish this up here of a loop. Let me finish this up. Let me finish it up. There was also, like, let me see, until I land a client. I don't know what it is, y'all, but for some reason, normally I have about, like, I could get like 30 to 20 people in here, but for some reason my streams are not pulling in that much people. And I don't know if it's because of maybe the title. Shoot, it could be the thumbnail. Or it could simply be because maybe, what is it called? My thumbnails are similar. You know how YouTube was talking about that? They're gonna crack down on videos with similar thumbnails. I don't know if that's probably what's happening. Because it's not getting recommended like it normally does. It's not getting recommended like normal, which is crazy. But you know what? It's alright. I'm gonna have to just end up figuring it out, what it is, what it's not. Another thing too, it could be is because maybe it's showing that I'm streaming 2 times in a day because I keep messing up my time of streaming. So unless I don't, like if I stream tomorrow, I probably would have to stream exactly at 12:45 to make it the next day, and that's probably the issue. So I'm probably going to do that tomorrow and see if that's what that is. If not, then I'm probably going to have to change my thumbnails up. Maybe the thumbnails are too similar and YouTube's like, what the hell? But yeah, because normally I'd be getting way more people in these streams, and I don't know what it is, but that's not happening. That is not happening. So I definitely got to end up fixing that up. This is Morris. Tell me a soccer player for an edit. I still don't know soccer players, man. Let me look up a popular soccer player. Let me see, because like I said, the only person I knew is, let me see. I knew Ronaldo, I knew Messi, but I think you do them two a lot. What about this dude? His name is, I don't know how to pronounce his name. I think it's Thierry Henry. Not sure how to pronounce him. That dude. They said he's number 3 on the first website I clicked. Apparently he's number 3. Then my eye hurts like a mother ever, bro. I'm not gonna be able to drive today because the way the sun is about to be in my eye, that is going to be crazy. But I hope you all definitely ended up enjoying the stream. The stream was amazing, super dope. I'm definitely going to be trying to build a website. Oh, are you talking about a soccer player, Maradona and Pelé? Okay, you can do that too. Return is an output of a function pretty much, and the perimeter is the input that goes inside the function. Hope that's clearer. No, yeah, it's big facts. I understand. I just think I was confused when at least it was specifically with that question because it was talking about, I don't even know. I think it was the way they worded it. I feel like if I figured that that's what they wanted, that would have been something that I did. But all right, y'all, I'm going to give y'all a little bit of an outro, a little bit of stuff about me. So I've been learning how to code for about 4 months, almost 4 months, about to hit 4 months tomorrow, which is going to be super damn dope. We've gotten pretty far, and it's just crazy how far I have come. And all glory to God. At the end of the day, without God, this would not have been possible. So definitely all glory to him. And then without you guys, this would not be possible. So thank you all for 100% supporting me. That is truly, truly amazing. I'm very thankful and will always be thankful. I hope to see you all later in the next one. Deuces. Sorry that I'm hopping off so soon. Normally I'd last like an hour, but I got to get off. I started late today. Peace.